What's up, YouTube? Back working on the 1997 F250Hd. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the interior swap that was done in this thing. Had all original stuff in it when I got it, just didn't care for it, needed a good update. Took it all out, all new carpet. Sorry, truck's really dirty, haven't cleaned it. The 2016 interior center console, the rear air works, it was all ducked in, all the fittings work and the plugs and all that good stuff, the inverter. Really wasn't that hard to do. If you're trying to do an interior swap in your truck, it's pretty straightforward. They kind of bolt in. We had to cut these seats down a little bit. Haven't done none of the fab work to get it painted. Like, truck's still in a little progress of getting built, so the final things will be touched up at the end. Think I took about 2 inches off this, just remounted a plate. Let me get this up, welded, fabricated a plate, and that's how they mount down to my floor on both sides. So everything worked out great with the back seat. Front seats, the 2 front bolts that were in the front worked out fine. These back bolts back here, once you drive them through the floor, you just put a bolt on the bottom of your truck. That's the best way I found to do that, and they hold in really good. So we'll get on to the console a little bit. So this is what we decided to do. We did switches, power everything up, airbag, digital, winch in and out, train horn, you know, powers, controls, all my powers in the console because I hate using ignition. And then we got all the interior lights. These run everything in here. Then on this side, which is my LED display for my battery, so I know where I'm at. Still haven't done nothing with this. Haven't figured nothing really out. Kind of got some good ideas, but probably gonna build something like the 18 where you can actually use this as the same thing as this. So if you got any questions about this interior swap, just post a comment below. I'll be glad to get back with you. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward, definitely worth the time. This truck will be get the matching dash swap to match the seats eventually in the next couple months, so stay tuned, guys. See you later.